Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So in today's video, I will be doing a how to have a aesthetic Pinterest account, because Pinterest is like something not a lot of people talk about, and like it's a really good social media platform, I guess, like very aesthetic and all. So I will show you guys how to have a aesthetic Pinterest account. So my Pinterest account looks something like this. It's not very aesthetic. I was like trying to make it aesthetic, but I like just stopped. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to make it aesthetic. So the first step is like the layout, like the account layout. So you're gonna click these three dots, click settings, and edit profile. So once you're here, this is like your main area, and now you want to decide if you want to be a preppy account, a like aesthetic vintage account, or like a kidcore. Like which genre of aesthetic do you want to be? But basically we're gonna start with the profile picture. So I just put this random one, and now I'm gonna go ahead, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna click the plus button, and I'm going to choose a photo that I like. So I'm gonna click this one. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to like click brush and draw white over it. So yeah, just pick like a photo that is square, or you can like crop it. And then you're going to add your like photo you want as your profile picture on top. So this is the hardest part, because like I like all of these. This photo of 10, because you know it's like the theme I'm going for. And I'm just going to, so I didn't show you guys what I did. But I go into shape, crop, pick the heart one, heart shape, and just, you know, crop out just like mainly where his face is. And the border, like it's going to go away anyways. So you can just put it in the middle. And then you can also like design it. For example, you can click, after you know like where you want it, you can click brushes, do this little, it's the second one from the right, the left. And then, I don't know, you can, like, draw a little, and make it all pretty. So I'm going to make it all pretty and everything, and then I will be right back. Okay, so like the amount of times I redid this is very unhealthy, but like it's fine. So nothing really changed. I just added the number 10 because his name is 10, like stage name or whatever. You know, it gives it some value. And then I'm gonna set it as my profile picture, and then I'm gonna write my name. My name is already written like a fancy thing. I already did that. And then my bio, I just put my Instagram, which is blurry, TikTok, which is Jen's Bliss, and just I put aesthetic K-pop account. But I'm gonna take the K-pop part out because I'll just like post anything. And then it's time for the username. So my username, here it is. Just pick whatever fits best with you, and I try to pick usernames that aren't very limited. For example, like I don't know, something that doesn't have the word fan page or like kidcore or grunge aesthetic in it, because when you do that, usually your account should probably be based on your username. So it's like if you put like, I don't know, Charlie fan page 101, people would obviously assume you post about Charlie. But like say you want to post, I don't know, some other things, you don't want to like limit yourself. So I have like this secret board. No one really sees it. It's just for YouTube. But what people do see right now is like just nothing. So my account is blank. Sorry, it stopped recording. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make like what I want to post. So I'm going to make little photo edits with like pencils, like drawing things on the photos. So like, hold up. So something like this is an example, something like this, and I'm going to like just make this, and this is what my like account is going to be about, how it's going to be like. So I'm going to go ahead and make one and just like as an example. And I'm not the best at it, as you guys saw when I was trying to make my profile picture, but I hope this one will work better because it's going to be a bigger image. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so I'm done, and I just did this like really quickly. As you guys can see, there's like blank spots because I just wanted to show you guys like an example of what I will post. But I will do like better ones with IBIS Paint because I just did this with PixArt just to show you guys a quick example, but I'm going to do them with IBIS Paint to make them more detailed and more precise. But yeah, that is it for this video. If you want to go follow me on Pinterest, I will put my username up on the screen. So here it is, and you can go follow me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! 걱정하지 말고 믿어 너만 그래도 돼 내 그림 너의 것이야